In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lovable project to GitHub and download the source code. To begin, open your working project dashboard inside Lovable. Make sure you're inside the correct project before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace or app. Starting from the project dashboard is important because this is where Lovable gives you access to the tools connected specifically to that project, including version control and code export options. Once your project is open, look to the top right area of the menu bar and find the GitHub integration button. This is the option that connects your Lovable project with GitHub so you can move your code out of the platform and into a repository. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the top navigation carefully. It's typically grouped with project actions and sharing or deployment tools. After you click the GitHub integration button, choose the option labeled export or push to GitHub. This step sends or copies your full project source code into your GitHub repository. Depending on how your environment is set up, you may need to confirm the repository destination or wait a few moments while the export completes. Give it time to finish fully before closing the window or navigating away. This helps ensure all project files are transferred properly. Once the export is complete and your code is available in GitHub, the next step is to get that code onto your computer. You can do this in one of two ways. The first option is to clone the repository locally, which is usually the best choice if you plan to keep developing the project, make edits, or manage version history directly from your machine. Cloning creates a full local copy of the repository that stays connected to GitHub. The second option is to download the source as a zip file directly from GitHub. This is a simple alternative if you just need a quick copy of the files without setting up a local Git workflow. It's especially useful for reviewing the code, sharing it internally, or archiving a snapshot of the project. That's it. Open the project in Lovable, access the GitHub integration, export or push the code to your repository, and then either clone the repository or download the zip from GitHub. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have your Lovable